The importance of knowing your why. We all face crossroads in life. You know, those pivotal moments that push us to consider making a move. Whether it's a career change, starting a new venture, or embarking on a personal journey, one thing remains clear. Understanding your why is the compass that guides you towards a life of purpose and fulfillment. In a world full of distractions and competing priorities, it's easy to lose sight of our true motivations. But when you take the time to unearth your why, the underlying purpose that fuels your actions, remarkable things begin to happen. If you're considering making a move to a new home, you may feel a little overwhelmed. Discovering your why when moving house is essential and key for a satisfying transition. Firstly, it gives you direction and keeps you motivated. Whether you want a fresh start, better opportunities, a safer neighborhood for your family, your why will drive you to overcome challenges and stay focused on your goals. Moreover, your why helps you make decisions that align with what you believe in. It ensures that your move matches your lifestyle and preferences. By understanding your why, you can narrow down the options and find a home that truly represents who you are and what you want for your future. Additionally, asking yourself why allows you to consider the impact on your well-being. Are you moving to improve your mental health, be closer to friends, or find a vibrant community? Your why helps prioritize what matters most to you, creating a living space that supports your overall happiness. Lastly, knowing your why empowers you to create a home that reflects your true self and aspirations. It's an opportunity for personal growth and self-expression. By connecting your home with your why, you'll build a space that reminds you of your dreams and your values. So before you start packing boxes and browse the real estate listings, take a moment to ask yourself why. Understanding your motivations and aspirations when moving house will lead you towards a home that feels like an authentic reflection of who you are. So dig deep, discover your why, and embark on a house hunting journey that brings you joy, fulfillment, and a place where you can truly thrive. Have questions? Need help in uncovering your why? We're here to help.